Is that free?
Yes. This is yogurt.
아, 요거트.
Cái súp được không ạ?
아, 오케이. 닭고기 국물이야? 뭐이거? 라이트 여기. 밥도 무한리 비리고. 좋아요. 진짜 15,000원에 조식이고 다 주고 시설 좋고 쾌적하고 사람 좋고.
Sorry guys, do you know what is this soup name? Soup Thai. Soup guy. Be very great.
Thank you. Bye bye. Center of the Hat Yai.
Central 250 and mini van 100 baht.
Only the transportation is bus or taxi.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Mini van and you can wait 1 hour.
1 hour.
Okay.
I think I have to go restaurant first.
You not come in and you turn around.
Turn around. Okay, thank you very much. I'm Korean. I can speak Thai. Sir. Is this taxi? Can you speak English? No. Sorry. 어떻게 하루에 4대밖에 없냐? 택시 무조건 타야겠는데? 비디오 오케이?
No. Video, okay.
사와디카 블라토.
Taxi lady. Nah,
I'm 노잔맨.
come in. Thailand. Oh.
Stop please.
Stop.
Stop. 50 baht.
50 baht. Tip, okay.
와, 맛있다. Hello. Hello.
We will go to host family.
Okay. And they called 250 baht. Is the fees a regular price or regular?
Also me, I want to improve my English skill.
Really?
But I'm not good in English.
Also me. I'm not good at English. So.
Eat anything or you allergic something or don't
No, I love everything. I love Thai food. So. Do you guys have duty of army?
In my school, I learned about military subject. In Thai, we have many options.
You don't have to go army, right?
Yeah.
Lucky guy. Because I heard. What I have to do.
Yeah.
And go military go and military not go.
Random box.
Yeah. Random boxing.
They cannot discount about month. If some people register the army, like a graduate or learn in school, they can discount about.
And the monk don't have to go army. Monk also duty, right?
Thai man can decide how many days, how many months, but I already to discount 2 months.
Really?
2 months.
2 months. How was it?
For me, it's okay. But some people, when they become 2 months, they might but the month we eat 2 times, just 2 times. Breakfast and lunch. After lunch, just water.
How can you live only just for 2 meals?
After lunch, just water or meal or about drink, not food.
Wow. So you're very thin. Maybe I can't leave. I can't leave.
Previous volunteer, he asked me, can we take him to the temple? He went to sleep one night. He sleep at the temple one.
No. No temple. Oh, this is my room?
Yeah.
오, 좋은데? 오. 이뻐. 와. 어이구, 오, 크다 커. 어이구. 와, what pigeon? 와. 와. 야, 이건 뭐 코코넛 아니야? 이거 바로 따먹으면 안 되나? Sorry, but what's your name?
Oh,
So we did call each name.
my name is Q.
QUEQ. This is real country.
Countryside.
Yeah. 지금 이곳 기온이 30도가 넘습니다. 실제로 엄청 덥고 와 저는 여기서 무슨 배드민턴 칠 생각을 했네요. 이거 진짜 저 시골 가면 있는 그 컨테이너 박스 여기 농기구 들어있고 진짜 앞에 텃밭에 진짜 와. 저 눈에 뭐가 꼈다. 왜 자꾸 내가 오면 가? 약간 피곤하기도 한데 심심하니까 집 주변 한번 둘러보겠습니다. 여기는 바로 친척집이라고 하네요. 와 진짜 바로 앞에 소 있고 소가 막 안녕. 너 해치려는 거 아니야 임마. 야. 진짜. 와. 응? 뭐야 이게 마트인가? 여기 마트도 있네. 사와디 크랍. 사와디 크랍. 사와디 크랍.
This same Kim Jong Un.
김정은. 사이즈 like 김정은. I'm from South Korea, not North Korea, so don't worry.
Very big size.
yeah.
You stay here. You're happy to save your family. Okay.
오케이. 이게 뭔가 이게 엄청나게 반가운 표현을 하고 싶은데 무슨 사디카밖에 모르니까 뭔 말을 못하겠네.
What you are working?
My job. Actually, I quit my job
You want to eat a pomelo?
for meal.
Pomelo.
Pomelo. Sorry, I cannot understand.
Good, yeah?
Yeah, good.
Thank you.
Sir, you can eat this first. No, I already eat.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Can you eat spicy?
Yeah, I love spicy. Yeah, okay. So what's your name?
O and A and K. The name are three.
Oak tree. And your mother name? How about your father's name?
Sun Yong Kim.
Kim. Okay. Ok Tao Somun and one is Uwing.
Kim is look like Kim Jong Un.
Kim Jong.
Yeah. Oh, great.
You like coconut?
I love it.
You can eat every day. Here, free.
Here,
You can eat a lot.
Coconut crab.
Never mind.
Get it? It's very many for me.
Pay you.
Yeah.
Sure.
No, never mind. This joking.
Okay.
부드럽게 구워지네. 와, 2층 이렇게 돼 있네. 이야, 씨. 이야, 좋네. You also have a guitar?
Yeah,
Can you play?
And can I play? You want to play? You can tell me.
조이를 하나도 안 냈네. Maybe the string is 박. This is your father room?
Yeah.
오케이, 알았네. 이게 일반적인 태국의 시골 가정집인가? Here.
Oh, my sister room.
시스터. 앉아볼게요. 오케이.
Love it.
ปลากระพง
블랙퐁.
ปลากระพง ข้าวผัดปลากระพง
Fry like the fish.
Yes.
아.
Curry. No curry.
와, 막 밤 되니까 도마뱀이 우와. 와, 금방 날이 저물었습니다. 그럼 막 하늘에서 비가 한두 방울씩 떨어지거든요. 순식간에 어두워지네. What is this?
Ball.
fishball. fishball.
Your boss. This your boss? Yeah. You have only Korean song.
Right now?
Good.
와.
อะไรไหม
야야야야. 알라이. 사와디카. Hi. 너무 귀엽다. 아이고. 너무 귀엽다.
I think she's scaring you because you're big.
예. 와, 이거 얼마나 퍼야 될지 모르겠네. 예의상 우선 이 정도 푸긴 했는데. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you.
You want it? You can eat a lot. I have a lot.
Really? First eat and I'll go second. 와 많이 팠네. 나도 많이 풀 걸.
Curry with
Oh, curry, yeah, I love it. Oh, thank you.
โอเคไหม
Oh, great. What is the manner of Thai word? In Korea, 잘 먹겠습니다. Before it.
We don't have.
Oh, we just eat. Ah, right. Oh.
alloy.
알로이.
와, 이거. I have to put it in here. It and. Ah.
ยัดมาเต็มเลย
Mm.
อร่อยไหม
알로이.
Yes.
Oh.
Clean.
Yeah, came here. Hello.
ไม่ยัดเอ๊ะ
Nó nhiều nám luôn à.
หนูจังมันกินกิน
Can I eat this one? 써먹을게.
ไม่เจ๊เจ๊สีอะไร
อันนี้ไม่ได้บอกปีกินอีกคิดต้องโอ้ยเต้าเหรอ you can try
Oh, thank you. I have to put this
yes
sauce.
fish sauce
Fish sauce.
yes you can eat fish sauce
Oh.
โอเคเดียวโอ้วันนี้เช้า
What you comment?
Wow. Wow.
เช้าเหรอ
Oh, sour. Wow. No sour?
no เซน
อร่อย
อร่อยมาก
You like sour?
I like sour, but. Oh, that's not. Oh, do you have Wi-Fi? Can I?
no I don't have Wi-Fi
Don't use Wi-Fi because expensive. Wi-Fi in Thai is 500 baht
600 baht.
yes
for 1 month.
For 1
one
month's
month?
Wi-Fi.
And I have 500 megabit.
how old are you
Can you guess?
70 75
20? Really? 30.
30 wow you're like young
100? Are you real?
you want girlfriend in Thailand
Ah, good.
Oh, I have a friend in Vietnam and speak Korea.
Your friend is 17. Yeah.
She's a Korean teacher.
Korean teacher?
teacher.
Oh, really?
No, she's 26.
26?
25ค่ะ
No, 26.
girlfriend Thailand very good
Yeah, in anywhere.
70
20?
25?
35?
วันนี้เลย
you speak slow we can understand
Win?
นะ
What is your name? I think she doesn't want to answer. How old are you? 8 years old. Do you know Thai number? Win?
ฟังชื่อ
Here sounds Chinese.
เสียงเชียร์ชาเชื่อ
ทำสะพานโค้ง
โอ้ย ข้ามไปเลยนับ1 2 3
20 seconds.
That's
You want to
okay.
try?
Oh, maybe I can't. No, don't do it.
1 2 3 4 5
Oh.
1 2 3 4 เอาเร็ว
โอ้ my gosh
Oh my gosh.
เอามาที่เร็ว you stay here you
Uh-huh.
can stay same you stay in
Yeah. Oh, thank you very much.
Kim,
Oh, yeah, Kim.
you need baby ah?
you have baby in stomach
Maybe I. Girl.
in stomach
I have a bit มันคือ poop in that
pop is not
Where do you want to lie? In same bed or?
This can telling.
How long have you been working?
2 months I'm working.
Did you get salary?
Yeah.
Satisfied?
Yeah. Because I'm working to use in my grade. Go to university.
What university do you want to go?
I need to go to Songkhla University.
Songkhla University.
สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีค่ะ good morning
Yeah.
오잉.
Drink water. Oh, speak you.
아송이고 느송삼시하 옥
เด็ด
댁
ผมรักคุณครับ
올라
I love you
아 올라 군가
โรงแรมที่เอา7-8-9 หรือว่าเช้าถึง
올라 군
for you sticky rice and chicken
아 이거 아침 받은 거 보구나 빙빙 What's this? Mix rice
yes mix
아,
hey this come Korea
นี่ I buy from Korea in Thai expensive 370
오
ข้าวเหนียวไก่ทอด in Thai say ข้าวเหนียวไก่ทอด sticky rice say ข้าวเหนียวchicken fry ไก่ทอด
how much is it?
20
20 baht
yes 20 baht
어 20 baht
yes 20 baht
아
no expensive free ship
살균
อร่อยไหม
밥이 되게 탱탱 알아요. 이게 밥이 겉에는 딱딱이고 아니 딱딱하기보다는 손에 안 묻고 안에는 쫀득쫀득해서 이걸 이렇게 찍어 먹으면 맛있네요. 이케아에서 구운 양파 팔거든요, 통에다가. 그거에 찍어 먹는 느낌? 밥에다가. 아, 이게
no no yo
아니, I can.
no
먹을 때 되게 엄청 뻑뻑하고 안 어울릴 것 같은데 짜쫌짜쫌하니 잘 들어갑니다. 김치가 필요할 것 같은 비주얼인데 은근히 먹다 보면 얘 때문에 그렇게 필요하진 않아요.
how many kilo
아, my body
yes
90. 응?
2 week 100
100.
no problem no 100 kilo
사리카.
If you need me, you can call me anytime.